The settings here show which function is currently active and which one is disabled. White color indicates that the function is enabled, and black color means the function is disabled. If it is disabled, whether it's your graphics or loop graphics, now the fallback info schedule is active. This is all informational. These belong to them and to the playlist. If it's running from the adware category, it will show as enabled. And this is the transition effect, which is displayed here. If you want to use the MPM format, you will keep it enabled. If you want to run according to the 24-hour watch, you will keep it disabled. Keep this enabled. Show logo on ads. This means when your commercial video or advertisement is playing and you want your channel logo to be visible during that time, you should enable this option. If you have connected a graphics card to the playout screen and want to extend your video, then you will use this button for graphics. The video will play on the extended display connected via the graphics card. From here, you can browse and select your channel logo. From here, you will set the output format. If your output is HD, then select the HD resolution from here. And if your output is standard definition, SD, then select the SD resolution from here. For PAL, there are 2 resolutions available. You can set them from here. You can also configure how many audio channels you want to output from this section. You will set/configure. This is your scaling. In scaling, you need to set it to default here, and then click the Apply button. This is your Now Next info, meaning when your video is playing, you will see this info displayed on the screen. Here's what you can see. This is where your info is coming through. It shows your title name and subtitle name, so we call this the info. So, this is the playing info. The Now info will show the current video playing, and the Next info will show details of the upcoming video, like the name of the next video that will play. When a commercial advertisement is playing, one info will be triggered called the backing info. It shows how much time is left before the video returns, also known as the schedule info. That means if a movie or any list is running through your schedule, it shows the name. And if there are multiple schedules within one day, it displays the timing for each, showing which file will play at what time. These appear on the graphical display, and we call them graphics. To set their composition, you will go to Amigo CG. All the graphics, like titles and crawlers, are managed there. They are created there. Here, when you double-click on any composition, that composition loads here as your Now content. This is how your schedule gets set up. This is your schedule, and if you want to change your graphic assignment, you can simply remove and delete the graphic file from here. If you have sequence files, then you can add sequence files, and if it's an image file, then add the image. Whichever file you have, whether it's a video file or an image, you can add the video file and set it in the background. You don't need to delete the rest of the content. To make changes in any of your compositions, whether it's in the schedule or elsewhere, you'll simply follow this method, remove the background graphics, and set your own graphics in place. After that, I refresh everything from here and remove all of them. You simply need to click on the Composition button. Once you click on the Composition button, you will select Now from here. As soon as you click on Title, it will show the available titles. You will select the title, and then in the Subtitle section, you will select the subtitle text. You will assign it. For the song that is playing, you will set after how many seconds the graphic should appear. Set the duration here in seconds to define when it should be displayed. If you want to display it again, you will set how many seconds before the song ends it should appear. You will also set the duration here for how long it should remain on display. You will set that duration here in seconds and then save it. In the same way, you can browse and load the compositions for all the graphics. Click on the Composition button. This is for Next, so here you will select Next. In Title, you will select the title. And in Subtitle, select the subtitle. If you have backing info, then here you will select backing info. And here you will select the timer. In the schedule, select Now Schedule. In the schedule, if a commercial CM is running, you will select the composition from the schedule. Today's schedule. Schedule text and timer. This is the Save Settings button. You need to use it to save any changes you make here. Otherwise, the changes won't be applied. If you want to get NDI output from your playout, you can enable the audio output here. The NDI option is available here on this button. When you click it, your NDI gets enabled. To disable it, click this button again. Here, if you want to set the audio level, the option for audio level is also provided. This is the audio level for the playlist. If it's running through a category or through the schedule, you can manage its audio here. These are the ads, meaning commercial video advertisements. If you need to manage their audio, you can do it from here. So, these were some of the software settings you can control from here.